Yeah, hey, Dada. First off, life is hard, gotta wait, comes with some curveballs. Just hit past it to broke it in the foreign swerve off. Ain't been the same since my cuz got murked again. No, I ain't sorry, meant to.
And I'm not gonna lie, I do miss my 600 just because people are alright. Like you, just from like today, you have more, like you can rev out that bike a lot more than you can do this bike. You know? Because this bike is mainly for track. What mode am I in? I'm going B. Yeah, B feels a whole lot weird. A is race. Yeah. Yeah, A is race. And C, I know C is like for rain and stuff like that. But that's one thing it took me a while to get used to, was the electronic steering stabilizer. So like it stiffens up closer, like faster I go. And I was not used to that. So when I first got on the bike to test drive it, it was all like stiff and weird. I'm like, what the heck? And also I had to break in the tires too. The tires not dry rotten, but you can tell they were getting there. So I am getting the tires this season. Well, this off season, put it that way, for this build series I'm gonna do on this bike. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the color or not. Most likely not. People tell me keep the color, but honestly, I don't want to. Just because every Gixxer blue. Everybody has Gixxer blue. Like I don't want that. I want to be different. Especially in Delaware. Like this Delaware is like Gixxer world or Gixxer state. You know, everybody in Delaware has Gixxers. You barely see Yamahas. I only saw one Ducati. No, two Ducatis. 3 Ducatis. My whole lifetime being in this, and I've been in this state for a while. Oh, that guy lives in my neighborhood. But the bike's not getting hot like my old bike, so I can warm up. Yeah, and also he tightened the chain too. What is that? Apex Auto. Shout out to them, because they're the ones who put the bike back in the check and everything, got it fixed. So shout out to them. Maybach. Am I tripping, or that's a... Yeah, I'm tripping. The Maybach is not that. What the... That's a Mercedes. Not no Maybach. Maybach music. I do need to get over it. Not gonna lie. Yeah, and also, I mean, the turning, the nobility feels like a 600. It is a 600 frame, and the weight of the bike, I don't feel it. You know, they say it's a little bit heavier or more heavier than the 600. Of course, it is 750, but literally, it feels the same way, or if that lighter, because it's a newer bike. The bike is lighter is going to be. Because I mean, why would a company? I mean, Honda did it for their 1000s, but why would their companies make a heavier bike from the last generation? They may balance it out more, but I don't see them making it heavier. Chilling on the block, all this traffic. I need to go back on the back road. But the guy before me also, the only upgrades he did to it, by the way, was he did the seat. As you can see, the lights and the headlights. I think they're HID headlights. It's so quiet. I don't like the motherfuckers. So quiet. I need people to hear me. I need to be loud. I need to be known. Ooh, nice. And they're all-wheel drive. Like if you just turbo that thing, twin turbo, you're basically got a fucking Nissan GTR. But wait, my music stopped playing. I need to listen to that. NBA. Let me see a power wheelie. Nope. Nope. Can't power wheelie. Didn't power wheelie. And no, I didn't try to wheelie this thing yet. I'm gonna fully get comfortable with it before. And I don't want to drop this thing, honestly. And the suspension is already set up for my previous owner. He weighed the same weight when he first got it. Yeah, so he did get an upgraded comfy seat. But with that seat, I was on my tippy toes and I didn't feel comfortable with that. How do people? I think I need a new tire. Ooh, I can do this. Yes. Cause it's not hot, but like I feel claustrophobic when I put the mask down. Shout out Chick-fil-A. Their milkshakes are bomb. Yeah, but so far so good. I mean, no problems. I like it. Yes, you can tell it's a 750, but it's not really a crazy difference in my eyes for the first hour, I would say. Yeah, first hour, first 30 minutes. I don't even know when I started riding. Oh, he keeping up. How fast he going? Let's see. Let's see. 24, 25? 24? Yeah, he going like 26, 25 miles per hour. I do want to get motorcycle pants and new gloves, because these gloves, I noticed like they're wearing off for like, you know, and I feel as though like if I actually go down, like I'm still fucked. So I actually want to get some official gloves. So I already got the official jacket, I just need official gloves. Yeah, I just had to break in that front tire. Yeah, you can feel, I don't even know how fast, I probably hit 100 in that bitch. Not even knowing, bro. I see him at paintball all the time. Yo, guess what? I tried to make a paintball video this weekend because that was the first time I went out in like 4 months. And my GoPro case, GoPro fixed that too. That's the third one I bought. Now I don't want to buy no more. But my GoPro case that I put it in, it broke. Like the, damn, jigsaw problems. But it broke. Like the hatch, the latch, I don't know what you call it, the hinge that you put it on, that broke. That's the third time it happened to me. I think I need to get a new bag, honestly. But oh, come on, bro. I'm moving just so up too. Damn. Yeah, stop. Yup. Bro, 13's hot right now. I'm getting off, bro. I gotta get off. 13's hot right now, bro. I'm getting off this bitch. People are acting up on 13. Ooh, Grom, stretch. Don't even, bro. Like, come on. Bro, I'm getting all 13. Yeah, but my battery's also low too, so I'm letting y'all know right now. Like, comment, subscribe, if you watch the video. Hope y'all like the new bike. Follow me on Instagram. If y'all want more videos, comment what type of videos y'all want. Car drivers, watch out for bikers. Bikers, watch out for car drivers. It goes both ways. Everybody be safe.
Yeah. Hey. Dotta. First off, life is hard, gotta wait, comes with some curveballs. Just hit past it to broke it in the foreign swerve off. Ain't been the same since my cuz got murked dog. And no, I ain't sorry, meant to.